arthritis.
Yes, little XJ9. It is time to fulfill your destiny.
To be widely accepted as a normal teenage girl?
No, to become one with the cluster.
Oh. Wait here, guys. This shouldn't take long.
Get her!
Thank you.
You know, it's so sad when they have to show off to feel loved.
Oh, woe is me. You've bested me again. Or have you?
Huh? Hey!
Bye.
Have you been playing all summer? You think this is a game?
No, please!
Well, guess what? You just lost.
Forget it. I think I'll sleep in my own bed tonight. Ditto for me. I'm so glad I'm not a meerkat. Oh, really? Why is that? Because as cold as I am, I would never huddle with you. You hear me? I won't huddle.
I talked to her last night.
Yeah, I know you talked to her last night. You're great pals, aren't you? Now, if you two are such good friends, why don't you follow her home?
Shrek, I want to go with you.
Hey, I told you, didn't I? You're not coming home with me. I live alone. My swamp. Me. Nobody else. Understand? Nobody. Especially useless, pathetic, annoying, talking donkeys.
But I thought...
Yeah, you know what? You thought wrong.
Shrek.